Hello, beautiful people. It has been my great joy to see your comments, to see your emails, people telling me that they have started their YouTube channels. It brings me so much joy because that is the whole purpose of this channel. I started this channel after I saw success in my first channel, Jackie Travels, and I just thought that, everybody should start a YouTube channel. And I started this channel, Jackie Finance, to, teach people, just show people, right, how I was able to have success on YouTube so others can do it also. It's always good to learn from others so you can learn from their mistakes, learn from their success in order to attain your own success faster and easier than they did. So you can avoid some mistakes, right? So in this video, I want to tell you how you can get monetized on YouTube, how to find success on YouTube real fast. I got monetized on YouTube in 40 days, and I want to share my strategy, how I did that on my channel, Jackie Travels, so you can also do it for your own channel as well. Now, even if you've not started your YouTube channel yet, it's good for you to watch this video so you can start your channel already prepared. And if you started your channel, you've been running your channel for a while and you've not quite seen success on your YouTube channel yet, even if you've been running this for years, it doesn't matter. You can see success in 30 days from today. All right, so if you implement the things that I'm going to show you in this video, in 30 days you're going to see a change in your YouTube channel. So let's call this the 30-day challenge. All right, I did a 30-day challenge on my own channel, Jackie Travels, in January, and I saw massive success on my channel. Yes, I was monetized already. Yes, I've previously made thousands of dollars from my channel in 2022, but in January I just felt like I needed to do something different and just do something different for 30 days to see if there'll be any impact on my channel, and it was really impactful. And that is why I'm doing this video, to give you this 30-day challenge on your channel. If your channel is new, old, no matter how long you've been on YouTube, if you do this for 30 days, you're going to see changes in your YouTube channel. So if you're just meeting, my name is Jackie, and you're welcome to my channel. Do subscribe if you want to know how to run a successful, a profitable YouTube channel. You want to make money from your YouTube channel and other side hustles on YouTube, basically, then this is the channel for you. Also, turn on the post notification bell so you know every time I share a new video. And if you've been here before, thank you so much for coming back. I do hope you find my content valuable. If you do, then give this video a thumbs up. That is a like, so I know you appreciate the content I share. So having success on YouTube, some people feel it's by luck. Some feel that the YouTube algorithm just favors some creators and they don't favor others. Finding success on YouTube is not by luck at all. It takes intentional action, to find success on YouTube. Like with every other thing in life, there are principles, right, you need to follow to be successful. And that is how it is for your YouTube channel as well. I want to quickly share 5 intentional things you can do on your channel, to see success. These are things that worked for me. I did all this on my first channel, Jackie Travels, and that is why I'm sharing it with you. Like, these are things I've done and it worked for me. I started my channel in July of 2022. Before I started, I did a whole lot of research. It was like I went to school to learn how to, run a profitable YouTube channel. I did a whole lot of study, a whole lot of research. I got to know how to do it. So when I eventually started, I started ready in terms of my mindset and knowledge of how the platform works, even though I was not ready in terms of gadgets and all of that. I'll talk about that in this video. So I just knew a lot of how YouTube works for creators, what the audience wants, how the algorithm works, things like that. And I was able to find success on my YouTube channel in as little as 40 days. So the number one thing you need to be intentional about is the topics for your videos. So before you publish a video, right, it all begins with the video idea, the topic for the video. So you come up with a topic first, and then you develop content around that topic before you get to shoot the video and edit it and all of that before you publish it, right? So it all begins with the topic. So it's important that you get a topic that is relevant, a topic that people are interested in, a topic people want to watch, right? So regardless of the niche you are in, right, there are always topics that people are not really interested in, and there are topics that are, people have so much interest in, they want to find out more about that topic. Example, you have a food channel, right? I always use the food channel, yeah, and in that niche there are topics that people really want to watch, and then there are topics that are not so major, like people are not quite interested in watching a food video about certain topics. Example, you want to do a video about how to make pizza at home by yourself. People are really interested in how to make, popular things that they buy outside, how they can make it themselves at home. And I think people are really interested in topics like that. I think a video like that would do better against a video like how to skim milk, for example. Yeah, people are interested in that, but not a vast majority of the audience may be interested in that kind of topic. So you always need to look at the topic people are really interested in. Look at the topics that are trending, right? Move with the times. If you're in technology, you want to talk about the new phones, the new gadgets that are released, whereas talking about gadgets that are years old. If you're in the gaming niche, you want to talk about new games that are trending, and things like that. So it's always best to make videos around topics people are really interested in, because no one is going to do a video expecting nobody to watch it. When you do a video, you want as many people as possible to watch that video, because it takes a whole lot. Producing one video takes hours of work, and you don't want to put in all these hours, all the resources, and then people don't watch the video. So that's the first thing you need to be intentional about. Really look at the topics for your videos. If you want to have any success on YouTube, you want to, reach a threshold for monetization, which is 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours. You want to get monetized. You want to grow your channel, even if you're monetized already, but you want to scale up. These are things you really need to look into. And the number two thing you want to look at is having quality content. So you know the topic of your video. Now you need to develop content around that topic. So you want to make sure you do your research, get to know the angle you want to talk about, things like that. Just have quality content so everyone that watches your video has something to take home. Let it not be one of those videos you just watch and, after watching the video, like, okay, what did I just learn from that? No, you don't want to have like an empty video. So make good quality content. Do a lot of research to make sure that you have the up-to-date information and valuable information for your audience. And the number three intentional action you need to take on your channel is to shoot quality videos. You need quality videos. Yes, you can have an amazing topic everyone is interested in. It could be trending, and you have very good content, quality content, with so much information for your audience, and then your video is not quality. Let's say someone clicks your video and they come in and it's so dark, they can't really see you, or they can't hear you properly, or something, right? So you don't want any of that. You want to retain your viewers when they come to your channel. You don't want someone to watch your video just once and they just note that this is a creator I don't want to watch again. Next time they see your video, they do not click. I'm sure you don't want that. So you have to show up with quality videos. So when someone clicks on your video, they like it, right? And they'll watch other videos, and they'll always come back whenever they see you post the video. They would be so eager to click it to watch, right? Some people feel like, okay, quality doesn't quite matter, that is quantity that matters. You can just be posting every day, 2 videos a day, it's going to work. Yes, you can be so consistent, post videos every day, just be churning out a lot of content, but if it's not quality, you're only going to have like first time viewers. You're not going to have return viewers, because once someone knows, man, watching your video is a pain to their eyes, they may not want to click again. Okay, so how can you achieve quality videos? So someone may be wondering, okay, to get quality videos, that means you need like really superior gadgets to make that happen, but that is not the case. You can make the best use of what you have. I currently shoot my videos with my phone. Since I started my YouTube channel up until this moment, I shoot every single video with my mobile phone. So if you have a mobile phone cameras are really good these days, so you can totally shoot with your phone. So you don't need to like wait to have the best digital camera to make this happen. No, you can start with what you have already. And one of the secrets, to having quality videos with your phone is to have good lighting. So make sure that your face, most especially, is well illuminated and people can see you clearly. You'll be surprised how good your videos can look with proper lighting. So try to have good lighting to illuminate your face, at least let people see your face as you record your videos. and also take into consideration the sound for your videos, right? So if you don't have a microphone, that's not a problem. You don't need to shoot your videos with a microphone. Yes, microphone, could make it better. But if you don't have a microphone, there are ways you can make your sound to be better, like blocking out bare areas in your space, the recording space. You can put like blankets or duvets on your floor. Just try to barricade a portion of your room to make the sound better, right? You can use things like curtains, duvets, like I said, chairs, books, whatever it is, to just fill up your space so there is not much echo and things like that. And also try to record in a quiet space so there are no background noises here and there interfering with your sound. Okay, so these are easy things you can do, to just achieve quality sound for your videos. So remember, if you don't have a microphone, there are hacks, things in your house that you can use to enhance your sound, like duvets, blankets, curtains, pillows, sofas. You can just like put them around you to just block out empty spaces. And then I really need to mention camera angles. There are angles that are good and angles that are not so great for your videos. So it's always good to place your camera like eye level, while recording. Let it not be that you're looking down or you're looking up. It looks a bit awkward. So just be looking straight into the camera. That is like the best angle for you to shoot your videos, all right? And then the number 4 thing, okay, after you have a great topic, great content, quality video and everything. So what else can you do to ensure success on your YouTube channel? And the number 4 thing, this is like very important, is consistency. Yeah, I see a lot of YouTubers, they can say, oh, I've been on YouTube for 1 year and it's not working. I'm not getting subscribers. I'm not getting views. I post a video and maybe 10 people are watching, 100 people are watching. I'm tired. And then I go look at their channel and I see they have like 6 videos on their channel. One was posted in January, one was posted in July, one in October. And that is the reason you're not seeing success, right? You really need to be consistent on this space. And there are several reasons you need to be consistent. One for you, one for the audience, and one for the algorithm. So let me start with you, right? So remember the say, practice makes perfect, yeah? So if you want to get better on YouTube, your first video is going to be your worst video, to be honest. Everyone's first video is their worst video for many reasons, right? So the more you do this, the more you get better. The more you post videos, the more you get better. I always advise people to get 1% better with every video they post, right? So being consistent is going to help you to get better faster. You're going to get a hang of this YouTube thing, way faster than you would have if you were like posting 2 videos in a year. Before I started my YouTube channel, I never knew I was going to be able to edit videos or design thumbnails or things like that. I had no flair, no interest in video editing or graphics design or any of that. And when I first started, even in setting up, to record my videos, I never knew like I could ever be able to do that, right? So the first video I did, I just sat down by one chair, just recorded. It was like really, really terrible. Like that was my worst video ever. So the more I was doing this, the more I found new ways to improve on my production, right? And that is how it is. The more you're consistent, the more you post, the more you get better, the more you discover better ways to do it. The more your skills, like your video editing skills, your graphics design skills, are going to improve as well. So that is one benefit of posting consistently. Now the second benefit is for your viewers, right? So you need to show up here as consistent as possible so your viewers do not forget you. Imagine you post one video in January, they really like it, they're like, wow, this creator is amazing, they subscribe to your channel, and for so many months they don't see you. The next time you show up, they may forget who you are, and even if they remember you, they're like, okay, so are you really serious? You don't take me seriously to post, often or something. So when you show up for your audience, they'll also show up for you. So that's how it works. When your audience see you're consistent here, they can trust you. They can trust, that you're always going to be updating them with information that they need that will be useful to them. So that's the number 2 benefit of being consistent here. And then the number 3 benefit is for the YouTube algorithm. I mean, YouTube is a business for the owners, right? They want to make money from YouTube, and they make money by advertisers advertising on the platform. right? So the more people watch YouTube, the more they make money, from adverts. So they want to promote creators, right? That keep people watching, creators that people want to watch, creators that the audience want to watch. Those are the creators they are going to promote, because by promoting content that their audience is interested in, they make money from adverts. So it's a business for them, right? So if you want the algorithm to be good to you, then you really need to be consistent so they can push your content to their audience. And the number 5 thing you need to be intentional with is engaging with your audience. You really need to engage with your audience. So it doesn't end at just posting a video. You need to stick around and reply to comments, heart comments. The heart function, right, can only be done by the creator. So when you heart a comment, the viewer knows that the creator, you have read that comment, and they just feel special, and you now go ahead to even reply that comment. They now feel extra special, right? So it's always good to engage with your audience, make them feel important, let them know that you do appreciate the time they take out to engage with your content. Engaging with your audience is going to create a community, and they're just going to feel that personal touch with you, and they'll always come back to support you, come back to watch your videos. Like, I see people that comment on every video I post because they just know I'm going to read it and I'm going to reply to them, so it just makes them feel special. So engaging with your audience is a very good way to build a community of people that will watch every single video you post. So I do hope you take these 5 actions into consideration and do it over a period of 30 days, and you're going to see a difference in your success on YouTube. So let me know what you think about this in the comment section, and if there are other things you're doing that help you see success on YouTube, also drop a comment so I could learn from you as well, and others engaging in the comment section could get to learn as well. So give this video a thumbs up, that is a like, if you found it valuable, and also share the video with others. Let them also get to know how to run successful and profitable YouTube channels. If you want to watch other videos about how to run a YouTube channel, so do watch this playlist right here to be loaded with a lot of information. I do wish you all the best in your YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Jackie, and I will see you in my next video.